there, you sick bitch.
You know, like a long and lasting lover. And some vice to you call and you know, get them and say, love you, sis. That's normal for sexy, see, that's normal for British people.
Puss, nobody that
when we don't talk to somebody, we say, love you.
You even have to beg your
kids. It's normal,
kids.
it's not special.
Boy, I'm hate this dog shit. Hey, Storm.
Your brother. Yeah, my brother and sister, of course.
Of course, me say no understand it at all, Summer.
Victory is mine. Bitches, I tell you. Hey. When she says she can't, when
Puss
she
not have no sense.
I'm tie up.
I look at the one bag of dog shit idiot them. Wanna come cuss me.
Tell you, girl, me said touch not what the Lord have anointed and do his prophet no harm. Cause when Jesus say yeah, nobody can say no. God see and him know. Him know me Anna, me hard. Say them Anna never call Obia, man. Anna never call immigration for nobody. Them Anna never call police for nobody. Them Anna never tell lie for nobody. Psalm 7. I'm telling about the Bloodclot Psalms. I'm telling about the Psalms. Hey, listen.
The Book of Psalms, Psalm 7. Shiggaion of David, which he sang unto the Lord, concerning the words of Cush the Benjamite. O Lord my God,
in do I put my trust. Save me from all them that persecute me, and deliver me.
Lest he tear my soul like a lion, rending it in pieces while there is none to deliver. O Lord my God,
if I have done this, if there be iniquity in my hand,
if I have rewarded evil unto him that was at peace with me, yea, I have delivered him that without cause is mine enemy. Let the enemy persecute my soul. And take it. Yea, let him tread down my...
Hey, Kristen. Exactly, Janet. Just me post real. You're an evil bitch. But the girl wants her brother. That's her fucking brother. Of course she loves him and misses his love. The fuck off, you sick bitch. Not everybody's sick like you. You sit there talking about eating your daughter's crotch.
No,
like,
nobody never
shut
come
up,
on me yard.
bitch.
Nobody
So
never come on me
nasty.
yard. Me just did feel away. And when I feel away, I'm gonna talk because I feel away. Me telling you Psalms number 7. You say when you know so no unclean, you see the Psalms yeah? Don't read it if you no unclean.
Juna easy, no?
Don't pray this prayer. If you know the wickedness, because it's going to turn pound. No. Any wickedness people say on the door, put the Psalm 7 upon them. Take the Psalm 7 and put it upon them.
You're going to need that Psalm 7 soon.
Ask God to make the lion tear you up if you do nobody no harm. So this Psalm 7 is a powerful Psalms. And I like no ordinary Psalms.
Somebody need to lick that bitch in her mouth, you know, like honestly.
Hey. You see
the Lord, concerning the words of Cush the Benjamite. O Lord my God, in thee do I put my trust. Save me from all them that persecute me and deliver me. Lest he tear my soul like a lion, rending it in pieces while there is none to deliver. O Lord my God, if I have done this, if there be iniquity in my hand, if I have rewarded evil unto him that was at peace with me, yea, I have delivered him.
Because she's the devil, Summer.
Let the enemy persecute my soul and take it. Yea, let him tread down my life upon the earth and lay mine honor in the dust. Selah. Arise, O Lord, in thine anger. Lift up thyself because of the rage of mine enemies, and awake for me to the judgment that thou hast commanded. So shall the congregation of the people compass thee about. For their sakes, therefore return thou on high. The Lord shall judge the people. Judge me, O Lord, according to my righteousness, and according to mine integrity that is in me. Oh, let the wickedness of the wicked come to an end, but establish the just. For the righteous God trieth the hearts and reins. My defense is of God, which saveth the upright in heart.
Joan, remember?
God judgeth the righteous, and God is angry with the wicked.
Every day God angry with the wicked.
He will whet his sword. He hath bent his bow and made it ready. He hath also prepared for him the instruments of death. He ordaineth his arrows against the persecutors. Behold, he travaileth with iniquity, and hath conceived mischief, and brought forth falsehood. He made a pit and digged it, and is fallen into the ditch which he
Yeah, you dig your pit, you talk too
shall return upon his own head, and his violent dealing shall come down upon his own pate.
I think also.
I will praise the Lord
Just
according to
wait
his
and
righteousness,
see.
and will sing praise to the name of the Lord Most High.
Silla. So, when me I say, last week you hear me and Joan over here.
You're crying a different crying,
you
wicked bitch. Don't you know the difference, you evil fucking hog?
Like she telling her.
Me say that's why I don't like Erica Storm.
Like she telling her.
She had the evilness of them Who's
And
the
today
love
you
over my
ball.
page?
Today you Allah. Today she Allah. My heart full. Because the woman at this trial, she should bring me down to the lowest pit. Somebody send the record to me now. Somebody should take me down to the right.
You better hope they when they screen record.
Hey, why you crying? Bitch, why you crying though? Last week you were happy. 2 days ago you were happy. Why you crying? Me tell you, say God no fall rain upon one man. Oh, stop. Me tell you the God when my blood clot serve. Knee city for no blood clot. Knee blood clot city. Why you crying though? My brother didn't love me. My belly full, my heart attack. Me can't take no more. Puss carry me down to the ground. Puss carry me down to the ground. She carried out my pity them. She said the worst things. And she said,
Sounds like she was over here.
Your blood clot, yo. Your blood clot, yo. Yeah. Are you so nice? Are you so nice? Your blood clot, yo. I know one. Prayer me pray. Me pray in the night. Me pray in the day. Your blood clot, yo. Na 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 na. Stambosi, come to carry the news.
That's not Star Bossy.
I know one. Prayer me pray. Me pray
That's
in
a
the
slow
night,
storm,
me
Barbie.
pray in the day. Let me tell you something. You no start crying, girl. You no start crying. Me lift up my hands, welcome it from the Lord who make heaven and earth. Them and you never touch no iniquity yet. Them and you never, them lips here, never tell a lie upon nobody. Never do no wickedness. Never.
Me know they
And me
way over
fear
here.
that too much. Me say me take it in prayer. Me take everything in prayer. Take it down. I put it on everything. You are gonna always a cry because not today I'm married.
A different crying this Puss. Like, shut your damn mouth. Your mouth stink.
You understand? You always I play innocent and victim. Dirty woman. Wicked woman. You don't start crying. Me calling come out for your cry for your celebration now. You know, start crying. Many more of the blood clot so far, many more of the die. Don't ask for why. We tell you about Marley sing one love and all. No, nobody no counteract that. And that's why you know have a blood clot love. Him and I make it look like me, but God, me no that's what I tell you now. Me no care. I could have 10,000 uno. 8 again, so I just want to have one God like. And once God like me, I'm fucking blessed to be stressed. Understand? So, your daddy I create your scene and your ball. And my brother used to love that I used to. Eh?
You heard this bitch is gloating
Oh, your daddy a ball.
over family love that she doesn't know nothing about.
Daddy a ball
Bitch,
like a coattail.
you don't know nothing about family love. That's why you would never understand.
You know, so step on live now a ball you go. I play some long time voice note husband. Red boot. I play some after she one day yesterday she talk me a thing about me and you, yeah? No, she go on live last today just to buy me a listener. Go up on there ball and say, you know in time you call her prison? Like when you call her from prison. That's normal even. Nothing wrong if your brother love you, your brother. Like you don't call her and I say to her, I say, sis, you alright? And then you hang up and say, love you. Yeah. You see how my brother love me. Eh? You don't understand? So she has said, and me mash up you and her. Because you know, every time you call her, you will say, oh, love you, sis. You know that now, that's a normal something that to British people, you go? But that's something normal we will say to everybody. It's normal something that. But not saying our brother didn't love her, I don't love her. Because that's natural, it's our brother.
So why you talking about it?
When you hang up, you will say, love you, sis.
Illiterate bitch, why you talking about it then? So fucking illiterate.
I tell people, say, because you're in the prison 17 years, you're mad. And me brainwash you. Because you're not thinking.
She never said that.
We can't spread the word. Me manipulate you and me type.
Yeah, you did.
You up. Me brainwash. Yeah, that's the word. Me brainwash.
God, I get so annoyed. She always have to beg love summer. She doesn't know the LOVE word. She doesn't know it at all. She doesn't know how it feels to be loved. Sure.
I tell people, say, because you're in the prison 17 years, you're mad. And me brainwash you. Because you're not thinking right. So, me Cant is, we can't spread the word. Me manipulate you and me tie you up. Me brainwash. Yeah, that's the word. Me brainwash.
If she bitter bad. Her life sad. Sad life, Puss. You go cuss me till God come. Your life sad. Go get a life. Big, all tough hog. Yeah, I mean, I know life passed so long. From morning our stupid internet a get problem. I don't know why this fucking mahogany girl love over here, so. Then she say we are all dumb bitches. Every second she over here. Why? Watch ya. Whatever ya watch, watch. Come and know you love over here, so. But yet we're all dumb bitches. Every second she over here. Then she run gone. Gone chat up her shit over there, so. Like, she not no life. But you see, because Alan Candy don't give a fuck about IG germs. Yeah, you can keep coming. Carrying back your news and talking your shit. If they mix up. Mm-hmm. Them love it.
All right.
Okay, let me go over there.
What if a person in a country don't take on the
Hear the voice note him say love you. Of course, that's a normal person. England people can tell when they say love you.
I know England people alone, so shut up.
Up you and your brother, cause you want your brother. You want your brother. So why should I copy me and I cry? True me cry, she cry. You go say she copy me, Joanne. She copy me because she me there cry. Last week she me get Carlin and all of them gang up. You cry yet you know I'm ungrateful.
Them people are just desperate for friendship. It's just sick. These big old 60-odd-year-old people and 50-odd and 40-odd and like, oh my God.
Last week you hear me and Joanne kick off. Just a little words to words.
Just a little words to words. People are trying to kill you. That are just a little words to words.
You see me and Joanne, you know, no cussing.
Okay.
No buggering. She upset with you, Janet. Whatever you do, she a follow. hey.
Them people are swell puss head, but not lie.
It's funny, cause why should she? I start to cry, big old cry. Me a cry because you bash me and my family 1 week. And then she blame me. And I wouldn't be no Tanya, even me know you. You never even talk to your mother for much.
Can't stand you go.
Put that in glass plate in. Yeah. So I don't know what she talk. So I don't know why she ever talk. She said she used to take care of your mind, you know. And since me come, she said that she used to do. I'm used to mind my brother and doing all this and that for my brother. And when Puss come be a lie, she a tell for my name. Girl, stop tell lie for my name. Stop choke up my name. Stop it. Stop the nonsense.
John Wayne, go on over your auntie Puss, go tell her if you stop it, man. She too fucking lie. I don't know woman lies, so.
No look good, man.
Go tell your auntie if you stop lying.
No, you go get, for sure how much years are you record your brother. Your brother just call you and left a little voice note. And you have it. So you go tell me, say you, that mean imagine everybody else voice note. Oh, she have them up. It's more than I can make it look like, say, me mash up she and her brother. I choose that. Say me, alright, I true she talking about that love, Jeff. But me mash up she and her brother, lie she a tell. She started because, let me tell you something, ain't bragging though, ain't lying. Me not entertain this girl. One night, last night, she was there give family, all my family history, she gone in now. And I talk all kind of something, but you me know say, none of it don't eat home. Nothing that girl
so she talking about your family and none of it is so, man. She should be talking about your family, but you want to get up every day upon she and fear her mother and I pitney them.
My grandchildren, and I stay strong and strong and strong because I know these bitches only talk fiction. None of it is true. None of it is true. But when last week now me get up in my feelings, me and Joanne, and she run, Puss in a ball yet. But girl,
you're not ball yet for real.
You're ball for your brother.
Stay there.
And that you're ball for your brother because they hear your brother voice, they want to hear him voice in your ears. That means saying from day one you're mad over your brother and want your brother. So they want your brother come home to you. The last time
here incest this woman talk about. And now we see why, Puss. Now we know why.
So you have it for your brother.
You talk about eating your daughter's crotch. That's why you know.
Because so when man they are jail, them have 1 and 2 girls they can talk to and feed.
That was the plan. Guys, look for you. Look for Granny. In the comment section, I laugh over skin teeth with Puss. No, sir. And she said she went gangster. A pure lies then come on IG and tell. Pure lies. Because they want people afraid of them. Like, please.
No must that was
Nobody
our
ain't
plan,
afraid of you
and the
old
plan
bitches.
shift.
You are
Oh,
so
no.
much of a
That's why me give the
gangster.
number.
I look on her over Puss.
Kind of when man they are jail,
No,
they want to talk to
sir.
her. But when in their jail, she don't want him talk to her. She too busy the pan phone. Because he want vice note she pay when he asked her to her, say, I was so early the pan phone. Who you talk to so early? You can't come up on the phone every time I call you on the phone. One voice note like that they did too. And then she talk about she have more for drop out. You know have nothing more for drop out. You don't gotta drop yourself tonight because you look stupid. She drop out one time. Her brother tell you go tell her say, don't make Rollin stress you out, man. Just calm down, sis, man. It'll get better. You flap your own self. All the while John Crow make you do it. John Crow make you do it. For sure you say all Rollin I take you for idiot. Madman. Rollin, darling, I map show you out. You go for your tell you say, stop make Rollin take you for idiot, sis. It's gonna be okay, no matter. That's normal, bitch. You gonna come to you cry about. You ever British people.
So who said it wasn't normal, Puss? You're the only one acting like it's not normal. You big dumb bitch.
It's so unknown to my system. Anybody me talking, me say love you. Sometimes the children have to say, mommy, oh you love them. You know, me say
No, you beg your pitney them for say I love you all the time. Stop lying. We hear it.
You understand? So if you she show me brother say love you when you left the vice note, I hang up. They say love you, sis. But nothing wrong if you love her and your sister.
This is just madness, I swear.
Then. That's right. Now. Simple. You're not exits in his life. Back the fuck up now.
You're not exist in his life. Okay, we'll see how long.
Yep. Simple.
And it's not exit,
all
it's
them vice
exist.
notes and something they can ease off with them. Them there was then. That was then until you hurt him.
I never know.
You hear him tell you what you say, you break him heart. The things that what you do. You hear him talking last week, say, the things that what you do to him, you break him heart. You never hide and talk him feelings.
She done only for things to me, I'm forgive her. You and chat for years
and before me come along down.
Long time.
Okay. Before me come along, you do the wickedness to him. But no, I
When I
post.
come put my face with man from dead, I send my paperwork to all of our cousins, they were phone governor family. Never tell lie for me. Never style me.
For please.
I
send boy come talk about your rape boy. No matter little boy them.
And this I got up on the internet.
It's still on it.
For a long time.
Where your grandchildren them can come see.
What
You
grandkids?
You know, me to sit down in this in the same room with this girl. Because she is my blood coming to the same mother. You can piss off like.
Piss off, bitch.
I'm not joking, man, so don't cough him, man. A lick more lick on her face. And that may I make you know. Oh, cause my life she cost me. And when she continue to talk about her, pity them and about me, I feed a fire and me, I feed a fire. My life she cost me, cause Jamaica.
But Una not sit down there and talk about the girl, man. Her kid, the kids died, her pedophile. Una not talk about that. Like, fuck off, man. Fuck.
Everybody knows that.
But she gonna say, I'm me. I said she wanna get man kill you. And a man call your phone and tell you say,
It doesn't matter right now to me.
yeah.
So the man is not on that. You understand? The man is on different things. Business, saving, part of my life. Me ain't like fuck with. You understand? Every day, Tanya, this business time.
Two of them time I come, trust me. Fuck.
She hate me for you. Cause the cocky she did want and show me get it.
Listen to this
And that
nasty
she want. And I record your voice note them for years. I'm not funny, it's true, baby.
No big
Yep, it
And why
needs
she gonna
to,
see a
but
voice note
trust
now and
me,
it's gonna bring her
it's
back
not
memory? So
going
she
to.
saved them voice note there. So when she saved them now, she can
Every
always go
year,
back and listen to her man. But
everybody
true, she
now
know
going
say,
at it
her man
in
not
the next
coming
year
back
with
as
it.
long as
And
Janet
as the
alive.
first
Her
of the
man
year
not coming
starts,
back. So she start to make her
no
cry and a
difference.
plead.
Just continues.
Contact the network people. I'm telling you, them mad. My sister, them more money now.
Like, this is not fun anymore.
She a mad over me. Over me, she a mad.
Internet, mother, because them create this internet. I rather she go on it to do good,
She do bad.
she do bad. And everything that come round back for her and a bite her for her ass.
But you did say that, you know, say it go come round back for now.
That's everything.
And then she was, no, you go. And everything
She
go
have
down.
no time to fix it with me. She have time to fix it with her rest of siblings them and her fitting. Forget about me. But she still have time to fix it. She just come off of the internet and focus on her fitting. She can't.
Simple.
She can't. It's addiction right now. No only for people have addiction. She's a troll.
Yeah.
Only for people are sue them now. She could all make comments on a lot of people who don't even know
She
that
do
she
it all the while.
That's
That fake page.
for years.
Me not say she do it to Love Sanders Pitney last week. Say Love Sanders daughter, she put her up and say Love, she want Love Sanders daughter for dead.
Blood, she sick blood.
And me I said, Jesus.
You see, you know it's her fake page, right, Puss?
Watch Wally for documentary.
You're so sure it's Tanya's page.
Sick blood. I tell her she suffer from some form of depression. And you go lock in her head now. You lock in her brain.
Yeah.
Her focus, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On her children.
It's on me.
So if you ruin
I can't
in some
stand
way,
this fuck. I can't stand Puss and you
break
go.
down and
And that's what she can't.
stress. Me don't know.
She can't get me
I don't
breakdown.
know, but all that would have made you feel better. For how long?
That sick people think that way make them feel
This
better.
is what makes that's why she's sick. For a minute, two, a day, a second. Your life is still the same. Come on, man. The joke, blood. Listen, this thing needs to start. I have to phone her, blood. I have to phone her and find out what's going on.
Oh, she got angry up on your phone
I
now.
know she got
Puss, he needs to phone her while you're not there. Like listen to this.
Class.
He needs to phone her when she's not around. Like, fuck off, dirty Puss.
We have phone and I say. We have said to her, we have advice you give her. Go get help.
Yeah. Yeah.
She not gonna take your advice,
I
right?
don't give a fuck, blood. She need help, blood.
When you make one of your other siblings them, well,
Yeah,
she,
listen to
well,
No.
she talk to. Cause she not gonna all those cuts and you not gonna hear nothing.
Shut up,
Don't
you
tell
just
her
don't
which
want him
path
to
go.
talk to his
No.
You
sister,
not
you
gonna hear
shit.
one of your siblings them. She's sick.
No, he needs to call her like he wants
she gonna
to
say me
without
sick.
you being there, you
She say you
fucking
mad, you know.
bitch.
Today she said you mad. And because you come from prison for so much years, you're mad in your
She never
head.
said
And
that.
She say you don't in your right mind, you don't know what's going on around you. She say you don't even know your
She never
surroundings.
said that today. Stop lying on the fucking girl. Like, you lie so much.
And they live in England. Live in England. She know nothing about England. Nothing. You understand? And that is her problem. You're out of the ghetto. You're out of
Them a piss me off, shortbread. All the fucking lies. Like, fuck off, man. Fucking dirty puss and you go.
Seriously, it's a joke, blood. Copy the people and ways, blood. And implement it in your day-to-day life.
Not care for Tanya, brother, and one day them him forgive her. He make everybody form them own an opinion of him and me can't stand him. He's fucking wicked.
Seriously, childish, tacky.
And then he sits there, him and him fucking sour egg and pretend they're innocent. Of course, Tanya reacts to some shit. Like, the fuck? Like, fuck off, man.
You understand? That's why I try to show you, make you see the whole thing, blood. I'm just for baby. Avoid it, because it's a joke, it's a waste of energy and time.
Energy waste of a true.
You understand? If some yard man want date,
Exactly, shortbread. Trust me, you know how much people post roping panda story, yeah?
You understand?
And the people them hear the story I realize that this woman is a fucking evil bitch.
Talk about clothes and food and some stupidness, blood. I'm sick, blood. I call her, fam.
Yeah, and make sure you call her when fucking Puss is not around.
Supposed to get on with her life.
The fuck?
Oh, I don't know what to do, yeah, man.
Fuck yeah, call her for.
Just trying to sort my one out, blood.
Just make sure Puss is not there.
And she make sure you have a life.
Fuck off, dirty girl.
That's how wicked she is.
Piece of shit.
You see me on the internet ramping around. If I was doing this, then no, she would have been bloating and I don't know.
You gonna need to know where to go watch everything where Puss are going with.
I ain't paying her no mind at all. Says that she can't really.
Cause she tells him these extra lies and that's why he cuss and then pick her side. Cause she twists everything.
Last week she go for your bank statement and then she go for your watch. Then this week she go for your
we think he that nice to Paulette if him call her. But Puss can't do that. Cause he said nah go well if Puss there around.
She put on herself. She put on herself. Cause she never put me up. So she put me up.
She just angers me, Stam. But don't call her. Make one of your siblings call her. Like, no, bitch.
Just see that laugh, but I can't relax.
No. If he call you now, Tanya, don't answer. But she'll lay down, she just listen. Fuck off. Don't answer him if he call you now.
Hey.
Make Puss gun me
and
shit.
The good old them, the girl with the good old. Hey, good old. Good old. And the girl with the bad mouth.
She look sitting for advertise on her live. Make she go away.
Elvis, good night. What's up? Boy. My brother love a normal something that for British people. Love you.
So why you mad? Cause nobody loves you, bitch.
Nothing wrong, you stupid, you brother. If I your brother. Empress Gully promotion, what's up?
What's that?
Me say the cow ball. After she come talk about me a ball last week, me no must ball if people want to kill me. Eh? Actually, if him say the plug, the you go. The
same thing to say, Paulette. If him call her anytime now, don't answer. Puss just want sitting figure up on the live and fi fucking chat shit in and you got here. Make sure you're not balling no Tanya, come here, go cut you off if you come ball.
Actually, I put hey, Mr. That's right, my friend. Empress Gully promotion, my star friend. Don't bother entertain them people that post they are negative and unhappy.
Sorry guys, the live
that word. I'm not. Them irrelevant. Them time is up. Kagoli, we know. We both go to the same dance. Me and you, we are star dance.
Candy.
Everybody.
Just get up, me just why me cry is the lies. The lies.
We know it, trust me. We know. We're not dumb over here.
Me not cry because me weak. Pussy can't manage me, and you can't manage me. Me cry because I want to hold you. Me cry because you're a fucking liar. Me come out and show the video because you tell your team push them say me and you did live bad before you come in at the picture. And me show the people them say, nothing no go so. Me and him never have no problem. When me say, different from him want me carry drugs come to prison, I'm a cuss him off and say, you're crazy. I would never bring drugs to prison.
Yeah, man.
Deportation that.
Exactly.
But when me know how him stay, me don't put him on practice. Pussy, I celebrate. You can't break me. You will
That's
never
not to celebrate over. She's stupid.
She's so fucking stupid. See, and you go see me a trouble there. Me a trouble, no. Me. When?
Twist everything.
That is the same thing my company here and me I tell the people them say she twist and lie. Here I know. Oh, she show you your watch. Rallying watch. Are you go watch? Me show a bank statement. Yes, me show a bank statement. Because you said 20,000 was in the account. And me use 10. 79 pence your pussy worth. There was no money in the fucking account. You come and you say, me call. Me have a lot of things in my phone. I'm upset. I don't cry because I'm weak. I cry because Puss me that. Me say, Puss, you can't face me. Pussy me say certain things about you or towards you. In front of me, you can't face me. Don't get it twisted. Don't celebrate. You think me weak? You think me weak like Eric and the rest of them around go grab it to you? Pussy your life sad. Everybody knows your life sad. Pussy value 79 pence. That's all your pussy worth. I show people how wicked you are and how you're a fucking liar and a peer liar come on social media. Come tell upon me. At the time when I introduce you to my brother, me and my brother never have a problem. Me have proof. And I put out the proof from last night. And you're upset. You're upset because...
But you don't tell me story from before you go